In this video, I'll share how I lost 1,000 Ghana cedis on cryptocurrency within 30 minutes. So if you are someone who is a complete beginner in crypto, you are yet to start futures trading and all that, this particular video will help you so that you don't lose money just like I did today, because I'm going to reveal everything that cost me. So let's get started. So anytime I get a clear opportunity on cryptocurrency, I trade. So sometimes I make like 100 Ghana cedis, sometimes I make like 50, sometimes 120. But these days, because I'm making some consistent profit, I decided to increase the capital a little bit so that I can start trading like from 1,000 Ghana cedis and all that. Now, last week I lost 500 Ghana cedis, and this day, as at the time of making this video, I lost 1,000 Ghana cedis as well. So let me give you a detail of what happened so that if you're a complete beginner, you'll not end up repeating the same mistake I did. So last week I lost 500, and the next day I decided to trade it back, and then I got the 500 back and I got out of the market. Now I did some small trades again and I'm making profit. So today I decided to go in like 1,000 Ghana cedis and see what the outcome is going to be like. So I first of all did the first trade and I make like $25. Now this $25, instead of me to cash it out and just sit back and relax or continue with my other works, I decided to go in with, I decided to put everything back into the trading so that I can make more profit on it. Before I realized, everything went down. So one thing I've learned is that if you're a complete beginner in trading and you are making some profits, one thing that will be pushing you is greed. You would like to make more money. So for instance, in my case, I used 1,000 Ghana cedis. I invested 1,000 Ghana cedis and I made like $25. That's like 300 Ghana cedis. Now that 300 Ghana cedis, assuming I put that 1,000 Ghana cedis into treasury bill, still will I be able to make 300 Ghana cedis within 1 month? Will I make it? The answer is no. I will not even make it. I will not even make like 200 Ghana cedis. So I should put all these things in mind and say, what, let me come out of the market and trade the next day. One dirty secret that actually killed the whole thing is that, when I was trading, or when I made the first profit, which is the $25, I used 10% leverage. But because I've seen that the strategy worked, what I did was I increased the leverage to like 75%. So I was trading Solana. So that was where Solana grabbed me. So one thing I'll advise you to do if you're a complete beginner in trading is to stop over leveraging. The reason why most of us sometimes over leverage is because we want to get a lot of money as soon as possible. And maybe we want to use $10 to get like $100 or to make like $500. In that way, you will definitely lose your money, because once you over leverage, the chances of you liquidating is also high. So definitely you lose that money. So that's how I was able to lose money in cryptocurrency. So remember, don't over leverage, and at the same time to put in what you can afford to lose. Supposing the 1,000 cedis is my everything for the day, that means like I'm not going to get any money. So guys, basically this is what I've learned from trading today. So I believe this video has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more finance videos. I have videos on different topics, so guys, you can go through my videos and see which one will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video.